Spirit is trying to get your toy, or what's in there? You can do it, Spirit. Don't give up. Go get it. Go get your toy, whatever it is you want in that box. Yeah, get it, Spirit. Get it. No, go get the toy. Something near your heart. Yay!